Tell me what you're going to eat.
Snack. Cookies.
Cookies?
What kind of cookies?
I don't know. How many do you want?
20.
Really?
Yeah.
Why do you want cookies?
Snack. One my pages.
So where'd you go today?
School.
Yeah, how was it?
Yeah.
Who'd you see?
Niall.
Oh, what'd you guys do?
Did you play outside?
Yeah.
What'd you ride on?
Car? Car? What color car?
Oh. Red and yellow and orange.
You have a red car and a yellow car and an orange car?
Okay. All right, say bye-bye to the camera.
My camera.